It's really lovely to give the gift of wellness this year for Christmas, because one thing this year has really taught us is the absolute importance of having really great health. So at Rejuv, we've decided to, as always, bless you and to give the gift of wellness, as I said, and to support this whole month of December. So that number one, we've launched our new gift card so you can bless a loved one. There's 20% off all of our gift cards so that you can bless someone or a loved one, as I said, with wellness this year. In addition to that, we've got 20% off all of our packs and protocols, and we've also decided to give a free urine test to absolutely everyone who orders in the month of December. Maybe it's one product, maybe it's a pack or anything in the middle, and that'll obviously valued at £45, so we can actually hone in and articulate what you need for your wellness journey so you can fast track your results. And whether that's even for coming into Christmas with the party pack to support having a few treats over Christmas like all of us will be having, or maybe it's thinking about what intentions and what you're going to set up and what pack you might use for January to detox, as well as our new pack we have for a full mind-body detox for January, with everything I've found that clients really needed over this year with COVID, from stress, adrenal, weight loss, gut brain, as well as digestive and immune support. So have a little look over there, and as I said, lots of great things you can incorporate for the month of December so we can just support you on your wellness journey so you can get strong and look and feel amazing.